We are currently at Toulouse again. Now, that beautiful A3100 is right there. First ever Airbus ever. And just below me is the Concorde. Wow. The Mirage. Just look at these magnificent General Electric CF6 engines. Wow. Just look at that. That is amazing. Just look at these beautiful CM56 engines. Guys, this is the MiG-15 right behind me. The jet which Vietnam used to completely destroy the US Air Force. This thing used to fly, but now it's here in Toulouse. But still, it looks beautiful. Guys, now this is the Super Copy, the Airbus Transporter